Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. And I might seem a little down today, but let me tell you, at 5:30 this morning, I had a blowout on the Beltway 8, find a parking spot, get the tire off, get my spare out, put the spare on, spare's flat. Fantastic start to my morning. But something I want to bring to you that's really cool is this 1952 Chevy pickup, restored. And if you notice what it is, this is our Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick's truck. It's got a fuel-injected motor in it, four-wheel disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, air conditioning, big stereo system, radial white wall tires, custom paint, custom woodwork, custom interior, just everything you could possibly want in a 1952 Chevy pickup. And I want to tell you that this car, or this truck, 52 Chevy pickup truck, is going to be at our auction at Moody Gardens Labor Day weekend. So the 29th and 30th, don't forget the 29th and 30th of August, we've got our auction going on, and this 1952 will be available for somebody to buy. We're hoping that our Lieutenant Governor can come down and see it and say a couple of words, but if he doesn't, we've got this instead. It's all good, folks. So, if you want something like this, if you need something like this, if you gotta just have something like this, you know where to bring it, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.